Loneliness is the only disaster that doesn't make a sound. You don't understand it at first. One day you stop texting back. Next week you stop talking. Then people stop noticing you're gone. But loneliness isn't the end of you. It's the training ground for the strongest version of you. Loneliness isn't the absence of people. It's when your own thoughts start sounding like strangers. We are social creatures with anxiety issues. When the signal drops, your brain starts searching for a network. And suddenly every thought echoes back louder. Your body treats it like danger. Cortisol spikes. Sleep vanishes. Focus collapses. And before you know it, your phone becomes your therapist. Except it never listens and always needs charging. Now understand this. The danger of loneliness isn't sadness. It's comfort. Because once you get used to it, people start to feel like noise. You stop chasing messages and explaining yourself. And start liking the silence. Until you forget how to be around people. Loneliness rewires your instincts. It sharpens your mind but softens your heart. You become independent but emotionally invisible. And when you finally go out again, nothing is the same, and somehow you don't fit into the frame anymore. Peace becomes addictive, but peace without people is just a jail with a cozy bed. Surviving loneliness isn't about waiting for someone to save you. It's about recreating yourself while no one's watching. Take notes, because these steps will make you feel alive again. Step 1. Work out, walk, take cold showers, because the body resets the mind. Step 2. Create something. Write, paint, plant, learn. Creation turns emptiness into evolution. Step 3. Fix your surroundings. Clean your room like you're renovating your life. Trust me, vacuuming feels spiritual until you unload the dirt. Step 4. Create wealth, not just money. Read, learn, master your craft. When you invest in growth, loneliness becomes momentum. And step 5. Find rhythm through your hobbies. Don't waste time scrolling. Start sculpting. Start creating. Routine isn't boring. It's the rope that pulls you out. One day, you'll wake up and realize you are not lonely anymore. You are just centered. Remember, once you master solitude, no one can control you through absence. When you stop needing noise to feel alive, you stop being owned by the attention. Writers, fighters, creators, they all went through this. Because when the world gets loud, the quiet ones think differently. Solitude doesn't break you, it forges you. But eventually, you'll crave connection again. Though this time, it will be different. You won't need people to fill your silence. You will choose the ones who add peace to your existence. When you return, you will carry calm into chaos. You will see people not for what they give you, but for how they feel to be around. You don't need a crowd anymore, just the right table. And that's when you realize you didn't escape loneliness. You became your best version through it. Loneliness is not a curse. It's the mirror that strips away the noise until only your real self is left. So don't run from it. Walk through it. Work hard, create, learn, grow. Because when you master loneliness, you master life. Subscribe now and remember.
Survivor!